Welcome to Cherrapunji, the places with beautiful waterfall, the place where there are bunches of clouds, waterfalls, and enjoyment. Just see the beautiful waterfalls. Today I am going to show from Shillong to Cherrapunji road. We are on Cherrapunji Shillong road. Today going to see 5 waterfalls. Get excited for the first waterfall. We are at the Macdock Valley Dympep waterfall. Dympep waterfall is just 50 kilometers from Shillong. It's the valley with clouds. We have to walk down 300 steps and then we can see the valley called as the Dympep waterfall. It is throughout the year as Cherrapunji is the highest. As Cherrapunji has rainfall throughout the year, and the best time to visit is at the end of May or at the start of October. So you can see the waterfalls and enjoy Cherrapunji. This is the view of Dympep waterfall. Just beautiful. We have reached Prut waterfall. Today I am very excited to see this Prut waterfall. Prut waterfall parking area. Now we are walking down towards the waterfall. It's just 500 meters from the parking area. The way actually the full Cherrapunji is very beautiful. Due to the heavy rainfall, there are different types of waterfall, caves, and excitement here. Prut waterfall is the hidden gem of India. It's very beautiful, just as if we are seeing a painting. Prut waterfall. Many foreigners also come here to watch this Prut waterfall. When we were at this fall, there were many people visiting at this place. From Prut waterfall, we are moving to Krangsuri waterfall. Krangsuri waterfall is very famous for its blue color and playing in the water. There are different types of sports, example zip lining, which you can play, and it is very exciting because with zip lining you can see the aerial view of the waterfall. After playing in Krangsuri waterfall, we are moving to Dandelion. But if you have time, you can spend 1.5 day or a day complete at this place. It is an exciting place. Now we have only 1 day, so moving to Dandelion waterfall. Dandelion waterfall is one of the waterfall where you can see the waterfall flowing from the start. Generally we see the waterfall at the bottom. From the bottom we see the waterfall falling down, but here we can see the waterfall at the start, from where the waterfall starts. There is a very long story regarding this Dandelion waterfall. In short, just I want to say, an anaconda type snake who used to trouble the people in the village was killed and was celebrated over here, and after this the place was named as Dandelion waterfall. From here we are moving to Nokhalika Falls. Nokhalika Falls is the tallest fall, is the biggest fall in India. It is 350 meters high and it is very beautiful. The scenic view of this place is just mind-blowing. Nokhalika Fall has its own story, which is very painful and heartbreaking. So please watch on YouTube. At the viewpoint of Nokhalika Falls, there is a market upstairs which is very famous for its handicraft, bamboo work, some fruits and clothes and different types of spices. Especially you call in Hindi dalchini, it's very famous for it. We have taken some bamboo craft over here and Nokhalika Falls. Now we are going to Orange Pure Veg restaurant where we had local food, local thali type of food with different vegetables. After having food, we are going to Jiva Resort where we are going to stay tonight and then move forward. Jiva Resort is one of the best resort in Cherrapunji with its delicious food. Meet you in the next episode. If you like this episode, please like, subscribe and share the episode, and just meet you in the next episode with Double Decker Bridge.